Hey, thank you for watching this video. This is Louis from Sales to CEO. Look, I want to invite you, your people, your guys, the ones that you believe in that want to go to the next level and really get good, get great at what they're doing. I want them to train insane or they're going to stay the same. If you're in a dealership like I know you are, look, we know the guys need encouragement, they need motivation, but they also need tactics, skills. They need things to get them to the next level. So before we can talk about moving them to another level, whether it's from sales to sales manager or closer, anything, they're going to have to get better. They're going to have to sell more cars. So this boot camp's all about selling more cars, and specifically, I'm going to focus on things other than the sales process. I will touch the sales process. I will go through the steps, and I will give them word tracks they've never heard. I can assure you that will help them with the needs assessment, the meet and greet, the pre-pencil. But more importantly than those things, I've got 4 or 5 things that I want to make sure before they leave, they will know how to use Facebook almost like an ad agency. I want to show these guys how to work Facebook so they know they're not just waiting for the up bus or the internet lead or the phone call. We want to help them generate leads and generate leads that work and sell. Also, I'm going to show them how to work the service drive. I'm going to actually show them to be part of the acquisition team, the exchange team. I'm going to show them word tracks and a different pencil. We actually communicate with service customers that works. And the nice part about the service is there's gross profit. You know it and I know it. But I'm going to spend a ton of time on handling objections because in the end, we know that if they can't close a car deal, it's not going to matter. And too many times when they negotiate, all they're looking for is a commitment. But commitments doesn't make gross profit. So I want to teach these guys 25 closes and show them how to go to the next level and actually get into a pencil, close a deal, feel good about it, and make the gross profit. Another thing we're going to cover is the KPIs. Why is that important? All these key indices they need to learn. I want to show them how to do that. But lastly, I'm going to show them how to set appointments that stick and that sell, because that's what we're after on a daily basis at these appointments. So look, register up, get your guys. This is Louis from Sales to CEO. Love to see him at the boot camp.